Extortion, bribery, bank fraud, big crimes the FBI says happened right inside Tallahassee City Hall. Today, the details of that investigation are brought to light for a federal jury. Tallahassee businessman J.T. Burnett now on trial. ABC 27's Jada Williams joins us live from federal court right now.
Well, Channing, the jurors heard opening statements the second half of court today. The prosecution painting a picture of three people after money and power. Meanwhile, the defense saying that this was all a forced narrative to pin his client, J.T. Burnett. This is a case about corruption in the city of Tallahassee between 2012 and 2017. This is about public trust. Words prosecution opened up with in the trial against J.T. Burnett. Burnett is accused of working alongside former City Commissioner Scott Maddox and his business partner Paige Carter-Smith to extort and bribe businesses. In return, Maddox would use his role on the City Commission in favor of that business. The prosecution laid out three elements to their argument. A $100,000 deal Burnett inked with Maddox, promising Maddox would abstain from voting for a potential hotel just blocks from Burnett's downtown hotel, helping facilitate $40,000 in extortion from undercover agents, and then giving the FBI false statements.
This is very important. This is a eye-opening case for the taxpayers of Leon County. In my opinion, I think that this case is going to really be a precedent to really set us on a better road.
Stanley Sims sat in the courtroom listening to those opening statements. He says sitting in the courtroom gives him a glimmer of hope.
Is the process fast enough? No. I think that we need to do something about expediting bringing these type elected officials who violate the public trust.
But defense attorneys argue that J.T. Burnett isn't a key player in the corruption. Tim Jensen used his opening statements equating the undercover operation to a movie, using those same undercover recordings to make the case that Burnett wasn't the link between the FBI agents and Maddox, starting his case by calling the trial, quote, government overreach. Meanwhile, Maddox and Carter-Smith accepted plea deals. Under those deals, they have to testify in this trial. Witness testimony will begin at 9 a.m. in the morning. Now, when that does happen, as I said, we will hear from the two other players in the prosecution's defense, or what in the prosecution's case. That's Scott Maddox and Paige Carter-Smith. Reporting live from the federal courthouse, Jada Williams, ABC 27.
And taking a closer look, that FBI investigation brought a stronger ethic reform package to the city, including changes to receiving gifts and the role of the Ethics Commission. It also led to the creation of the Public Trust Unit statewide.